Hello Vibely users, need to log out of your account? No worries, I'll show you the easiest way to sign out quickly and securely. Let's go. First, open the Vibely app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. This is where all your account settings are stored. Now, find account settings. This is where you can manage your profile, security, and yes, log out too. Look for the logout button and tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure. Just tap confirm and that's it. You have successfully signed out. Can't find the logout option? Try updating the app to the latest version or clear the app cache from your phone settings. If the issue continues, restart the app and check again. How often do you log out of your social apps? Every time or just when switching accounts? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.